Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night with a painful cramp twisting your leg, so strong that it steals your sleep and your peace? You stretch, you massage, you even pray it goes away, but by morning, your legs still feel stiff, sore, and heavy. What if I told you that the solution might already be sitting in your kitchen? Simple foods that can calm your muscles, improve your circulation, and help you sleep through the night again? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tybri, and welcome to Healthy and Positive. If you're tired of muscle cramps, stiffness, or that painful tightness that wakes you up at night, this video is for you. Today, I'll reveal the top 3 powerful foods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and maintain better mobility, naturally. Stay with me until the end, because the last one is a hidden gem most people completely overlook. Let's start with one of the most underestimated superfoods, eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with protein, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, 3 essential nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong and cramp-free. Here's why: muscle fatigue is one of the leading causes of cramps. And protein is what your muscles use to recover and rebuild after every movement, every step, every stretch. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, the kind your body absorbs easily, even as you age. This protein helps repair microtears in your muscles, reduces fatigue, and keeps contractions smooth and coordinated. And when we talk about cramps in seniors, we can't ignore vitamin D. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, the mineral that controls every muscle movement. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles become weaker, less responsive, and that's when the night cramps start. Many older adults spend less time in the sun, which means they produce less vitamin D naturally. Including eggs, especially whole eggs, in your diet can fill that gap and protect your muscle function. And let's not forget vitamin B12, the guardian of your nerves. When B12 levels drop, nerve signals misfire. That's when you feel those random spasms, tingling, or that sudden cramp that strikes without warning. Eggs, rich in both B12 and choline, help your nerves send clear, strong signals, so your muscles can relax when they're supposed to. For most seniors, eating 6 to 7 eggs per week is safe and extremely beneficial. But if you have cholesterol concerns, you can always mix in egg whites. You'll still get that protein boost without the extra fat. So next time you're making breakfast, remember this: 1 simple egg can strengthen your muscles, soothe your nerves, and help you wake up without pain. Now let's talk about one of nature's simplest yet most powerful muscle healers, the banana. If you've ever been told that bananas prevent cramps, that's not a myth, it's science. Bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, a trio that keeps your muscles relaxed, your nerves calm, and your circulation flowing smoothly. When potassium levels drop, something that often happens in seniors due to dehydration or medication, your muscles become overactive. That's when the cramping starts. Just 1 banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, that's 12% of what your body needs in a day. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions, maintain fluid balance, and prevent those painful, middle-of-the-night spasms. But bananas do more than stop cramps, they help your muscles recover. The magnesium inside each banana helps muscles relax after activity, reduces tightness, and supports better energy production. And vitamin B6? It keeps your nerves healthy, improving how your brain communicates with your muscles. Research shows that seniors with low vitamin B6 levels experience more frequent leg cramps, and even more stiffness the next morning. So, eating a banana a day can help keep those muscles smooth, relaxed, and pain-free. For even better results, eat your banana 1 to 2 hours before bedtime with a glass of water or coconut water. It helps restore electrolytes and reduces nighttime cramp intensity. And remember, hydration matters just as much as nutrition. You can eat all the bananas you want, but if you're not drinking enough water, your muscles will still struggle. So keep your body hydrated, your potassium balanced, and your muscles will thank you every morning. Finally, let's talk about something that too many people overlook: nuts and seeds. They might be small, but they're packed with magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and protein, exactly what aging muscles need to stay flexible, nourished, and pain-free. Many seniors suffer from magnesium deficiency without realizing it. Low magnesium levels make muscles more excitable, meaning they contract more often, and that's exactly what causes cramps. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, and pistachios are some of the best natural sources of magnesium. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. And that's not all, nuts also contain healthy fats that improve circulation. Good blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, keeping them strong and preventing nighttime cramps. Walnuts and flax seeds, for example, contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in muscle tissue. Almonds and cashews, on the other hand, are rich in monounsaturated fats that support your heart and keep your blood vessels flexible. So, if you deal with stiffness or cramping after activity, a small handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds in your meal can make a big difference. Here's what I recommend: about 1 ounce of nuts per day, that's around 20 almonds, or 2 tablespoons of seeds. It's enough to restore minerals without adding excess calories. For nighttime leg cramps, eating a few almonds or pumpkin seeds before bed can actually help muscles relax overnight. Combine that with proper hydration, and you'll sleep more peacefully, without that sudden, painful wake-up call. Now let me share something even more powerful, a simple bedtime routine that multiplies the benefits of these foods. Before you sleep, drink a glass of water with a pinch of sea salt. This helps restore electrolytes naturally, enhancing the effects of bananas and nuts. Then, do a gentle 5-minute stretch for your calves, hamstrings, and thighs. Focus on slow, deep breathing as your muscles lengthen. Stretching sends a signal to your nerves that it's time to relax, dramatically reducing night cramps. Combine this with a warm shower or foot bath before bed. Heat relaxes muscle fibers, improves circulation, and prepares your body for restorative sleep. If you do this consistently, you'll notice a huge difference in just a few nights. And here's a secret most people ignore: magnesium oil or lotion applied to sore areas before sleep can make cramps vanish almost immediately. The magnesium penetrates through your skin, relaxing muscles directly at the source. Many seniors who follow this simple routine, combined with eggs, bananas, and nuts, report waking up completely cramp-free for the first time in years. Imagine starting your day without that stabbing pain in your legs, without groaning at the first movement. That's real freedom. So, let's recap: eggs rebuild your muscles, bananas restore your electrolytes, nuts and seeds strengthen circulation, and a simple nightly routine multiplies all these benefits. These 3 foods, simple as they are, can transform how your body feels, helping you move easier, sleep deeper, and live with less pain. I'm Dr. Tybri, and my mission here on Healthy and Positive is to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier, one simple habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It truly helps us reach more people. Leave me a comment below and tell me, which of these 3 foods or routines will you add to your meals and nightly habits this week? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss the next tip that could change your health for good. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, your body listens to how you treat it. Let's make it feel loved, nourished, and strong again.